In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type first, second, third ranks in Microsoft Word. Typing ranks like first, second, and third in Microsoft Word is a straightforward process, and with a little formatting, you can make them look professional and polished. This is particularly useful when working on academic reports, certificates, awards, or any document where you want your rankings to appear clean and consistent. By using the Superscript feature, the letters after the numbers will appear slightly above the baseline, giving your text a more refined appearance. To start, open Microsoft Word and place your cursor at the spot where you want the rank to appear. Begin by typing the number itself, such as 1, 2, or 3. These numbers represent the ranking, and the next step will ensure that the accompanying letters look professional. Immediately after typing the number, enter the letters ST for first, ND for second, or RD for third. These letters will be transformed into Superscript to match the professional style typically seen in formal documents. Highlight these letters so that Word knows exactly what portion of the text to format. Next, navigate to the Home tab located at the top of the Word window. In the Font section, you will see a small button labeled Superscript, often represented by an X with a small raised number beside it. Click this button and the letters you highlighted will shift slightly above the number and become smaller, creating the traditional look for ordinal ranks. Once you apply the Superscript, the letters will appear as first, second, and third, properly formatted for any formal or academic document. This method can also be applied to other ordinal numbers such as 4th, 5th, or even 10th, ensuring that all rankings throughout your document maintain a consistent and professional appearance. Using Superscript not only improves the readability of your ranks, but also gives your document a more polished and intentional look. This simple formatting trick is quick to apply and can save you time while creating multiple rankings in a document. And that's it. With these steps, you can now type first, second, third, and other ordinal ranks in Microsoft Word efficiently and professionally, making your documents cleaner and more visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.